And now here's the aftermath of this storm. National Weather Service for our area says we officially got 1 foot. And Steve's probably not going to doubt that since he's out there trying to recover. Neighbors are out doing it too. Nasty weather today. The winds are still really brutal. The snowplow has not even attempted to come through the neighborhood. The street just looks like a field, not even a street. So we're probably not going anywhere today. Steve probably just needs a nice warm drink when he gets in, and maybe a heating pad for his back.